Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can highlight text in PDF. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. So make sure you have downloaded Adobe Acrobat to highlight the tags in your PDF file. Okay, I'm going to open up this PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. And then I'm going to highlight the text. If you want to highlight, you just need to click on the symbol, guys, the highlighter symbol. Okay, and then we can select the text we want to highlight, like this. Okay, and now as you can see that the highlight has been added to my text, and I'm going to try the other one. And just select the text you want to highlight. Okay, once you're done highlighting your text, you can save your document. Don't forget to save your document, guys. Oops. I'm going to undo. Okay, to save the document, you can go to the menu and then you're going to click on Save As. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight text in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!